Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to choose Privacy over here and tap on Permission Manager. Then select one of the options like Location, click on it and pick an app. I will go with Photos, so I have to click on it and pick one of the options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can set photos, gain access to my device location while I'm using it. But you can also tap on one of your apps, click see all from permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!